Welcome back to another Bitcoin question of the day with me, Marc Kenigsberg. Today's question is a simple but important one. How do I get Bitcoin? I often get asked, how do I earn Bitcoin? So today there's 5 ways that you can get hold of Bitcoin. The first way is someone can give you Bitcoin. The second is that you can buy Bitcoin. And these are obvious, but there are other ways that you can get it as well. The one is that you can earn it. If you offer a service or you're a freelancer or you have a shop, you could get paid in Bitcoin instead of getting paid in dollars. The fourth way is that you could mine it. Computers mine Bitcoin, and you can do that with a computer or a dedicated miner or a server farm that mines. And the fifth is that you could trade. If you go on to an exchange, you could trade it the same way you can trade any other foreign currency, and hopefully you could earn more. You could also lose. So if you're looking to get hold of Bitcoin, either you need to buy it or you need someone to pay you in Bitcoin for a service that you offer, because mining and trading are out of reach of most people, and most of us don't know someone who's going to give us. So those are the ways that you can get hold of Bitcoin. And I'll go more into each of them in future questions of the day. In the meantime, though, subscribe so that you can get the latest videos. And let us know your thoughts. Tell me what you think. And send me more questions that you want me to answer in upcoming Bitcoin questions of the day. You've been watching with me, Marc Kenigsberg. Thank you.